So, I'm Alex Leonard, Project Manager for Group I's Industrial Liaison Team. We had to organise a guest lecture to come and speak to the business school students.
Hi, I'm Tom and I'm the Health and Safety Executive. I was in charge of the risk assessment and maintaining it was followed.
Hi, I'm Sam and I'm the Advertising Executive. I was in charge of advertising the event and making sure people turned up.
Hi, I'm Nick and I'm the Admin Coordinator. I'm in charge of minutes of meeting and also organising any meetings.
Hi, I'm Maddie. I am the Organizational Executive and I was in charge of booking a room and a parking spot.